Cedar Rapids, Iowa, North Central Region. CrossFit workout number 1, AMRAP burpees, 7 minutes.
Alright, so he's reaching up 6 inches to this mark, and it's clearly above that, so 6 inches right here. Okay. That's good. Thanks. Alright, Denny, you ready? What's going on? In 3, 2, 1, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Keep your hands on the floor. Don't lift them up. Just keep going quick. Keep going quick. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. Keep your hands on the floor. Don't do hands release. Just keep them on the floor. 25. 26. 27. 2:30 in. 28. And up. Nice job, Denny. Keep pushing now. 29. And up. 30. Keep pushing. Come on, Denny. 31. And up. 3 minutes. 32. Come on, keep that pace. Let's go. 33. 34. 35. 36. Halfway done. 37. Come on, Danny, keep pushing, keep pushing. 38. 38. Nice job. Keep going down. 39. And up. Come on. Come up. 4 minutes. 40. 41. Amp it up now. Let's go. You got this. 42. Nice job, Denny. Stay with that. Come on, stay with it. 43. And up. 44. 45. Keep pushing. Come on, keep pushing. 46. Nice job, Denny. Don't hold back. That's all we do today. Come on. And up. 47. 5 minutes. 2 minutes to go. 48. Come on, Denny. Come on, Denny. Yeah, boy. 49. Keep going. Come on, keep going. 50. Let's go, Denny. 15 more at least. Minute 30. Come on, minute 30. Let's go. 51. Minute 30. Let's go. 52. Come on, Denny. Don't hold back. Don't hold back. Come on. 52. 53. Back down. Come on. 54. Minute 10. Let's go. Let's go. And up. And up. Let's go. 55. Come on, Denny. Last minute. Push it. Push it. Last minute. All you can do. 56. And go. Go, 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 go. 57. Come on, Denny. 50 seconds. 58. Go down. Come on. 40 seconds. 59. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. Come on. 60. Come on. Couple more. 4 more at least. And up. Up. 25 seconds. 61. 20 seconds. 62. 15 seconds. Up. Come on, Denny. 63. Come on, one more at least. 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's it. All right.